Welcome to How to Solve.
Hi there! In this video, I'll show you how to add the IDM extension on Google Chrome. Let's go! So here we are on my computer, and as you can see, I've gone and got the Internet Download Manager desktop version right here. It is all ready, but now we want to go and add it to our Google Chrome. I've got no IDM extension in here. So what you need to do is go and open up a new tab like so, and you just have to type in IDM extension not showing up. Make sure you spell it correctly. There it is. And then what I'm gonna do, make sure you come to the official website saying IDM integration into Chrome does not work. Click here. It's going to be the official web address. As you can see, it does say IBM integration into Chrome does not work. What should I do? And as you can see here, it says please note that all IDM extensions that can be found in Google Store are fake and should not be used at all. That's really important to know. And then all we need to do is scroll down until you see this section here saying our extension is hidden on the Google Store. But below this, it says if extension is not installed automatically, then we can go and install the IDM integration module extension from the Google Chrome Web Store using the direct link. So click on this here, and this is going to take you to the official IDM integration module as they said themselves. If you go and search for the IDM integration module on the Chrome Web Store, it's not going to pop up, or worse, all of the pop-ups will be fake and should not be used. So these are the only real ones here. And as you can see, it's got 10 million users. All you need to do is press add to Chrome, just like so, and it's going to take a moment to load, and there we have it. As you can see, it says the Internet Download Manager extension for Chrome has been installed. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That is how we add IDM extension to Google Chrome.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.